This is my Adobe XD design. So we are going to learn how we can implement this design into our Android Studio layout. Okay, so let's begin.
Hi guys, my name is Kushal. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Codebook.
So I will open my Android Studio here. I already created the Android Studio project. So this is my these are my resources which I'm going to use in the Android Studio. So first I have to add all this. So I will select the folder here, copy, and once I copied that, I will paste that layouts. It is the images. I will paste those images, or you can say asset also, into the resource folder. You can see a resource folder and paste it. Okay, so it will automatically add those images into the respective driver folders. You can see the logo images here added successfully. So one is for the HDPI, IDPI, XDPI, MDPI. So I have created the individual images for the all type of screen size. So this we can do with the help of Adobe XD. We don't have to do anything else. Just while in exporting, we need to select Android there. Okay. So once we add it, so I have to add some more files. Yes. So these are my social media icons. So let me add this also. Then again, same. I will select resource folder here and paste it. Paste. Okay. Select resource folder. Okay. File logo.p is already exist. Okay. What problem happened here? Blue button.p. Okay. Sorry, I think I have copied same thing only I wrote. No, only on this Facebook and all that. Copy it one time, Control C. I think it's my keyboard. Control C, Control V is not working. So let me copy it manually. Open my Android Studio. Paste. Okay. Yeah. Okay, successfully copied. So this is our Google image. So let's design the layout now. So what I will do, I will create two activities. One is for the registration and one is for the login. So for that, I will come here. Okay, sorry. We need to go to the app folder, right click, and I will select new activity. So in the activity, I will be choosing empty activity because we are going to design the layout by our own. So let's select the empty activity and give this name as this guy's keyboard is not. I think that's a problem. Okay, this time yes, that's okay. So we'll give our activity name here. We'll give it as a login screen. Okay, login screen. Sorry, login screen. And I want to generate layout also. So I will select the layout also. Generate layout file. That's it. Finish. So if you guys don't know how to create a project or you are new to the Android Studio, I already created videos on this. You can go to my playlist and you can watch from there. Okay. So we have created login screen here. So let me create my registration screen now. Activity. Then we need to select empty activity. Okay. Then we'll give name to this activity as I will give sign underscore screen. Sign up spelling is wrong. Sign up underscore screen. Okay, so it will generate automatically layout also. Finish. Okay, it's created. So in this video we are going to focus on the UI only. So we are going to create layout. So in my next video I will show you the Java code behind that layouts. So let me open my layout folder here. So we need to search for activity. First we'll design our login activity. Okay, so activity login. See, our layout is visible here. So we are going to use constant layout here because it's very easy to design and it's very scalable also. So let's start our layout design. So let me show you the design here. So you can see in this design we have used one image view for our logo, then on text view where we are going to display our brand, and two inboxes which we are going to use edit text for taking user input. Then will be using one checklist and button. So let's see. So first what we'll do, we'll add this image here, logo icons. For that, let me switch to the design view first. For this we'll use an image view. Just drag and drop here. Okay, and now I have to select image here. So let me scroll down. I have to select logo. This is the one here, logo. Click OK. You can select your whatever image you added as a logo and you can add that here. So image is added, but before this, okay, we added logo now. So next thing what I will do, I will change the background of our layout first. So Android, for this I will use Android background. Okay, so I have added my background in the Drawable folder. So let me open it from there. Drawable, so spelling mistake, Drawable, and we will be using login back 0. Okay, you can see our successfully we added our background image here. So you can see here we are getting error. Okay, we are seeing the error here is because we have added the image view but we are not provided any constant. So let us provide constant. We want this. Okay, open the layout and you want to align this at the top. Okay, so top, bottom, so right and left. So we'll make it center. We'll make this 1.5. So it will be center. Okay, so our image view is added. So next thing what we'll do, we'll add the text view so that we can display our brand name. So I will add text view exactly below here. So same thing, we need to align this text view exactly below of the image view so that whenever layout orientation will be changed, this image will be always below the text. Sorry, this text view will be always below the image view. Okay, so I will open the code here. I think yeah. So let me open the code. So we'll give the text to our brand name. So here I will give my name. You can give whatever name you want as your brand name. You can give your app name here. Whatever, whichever app you are creating, give your app name here. So I will give here Kushal. Then what we have to do, we have to change the size. Okay, so we'll change the size with the help of Android text size. So one thing remember guys, whenever you are changing the text size now, we need to use SP instead of DP. So I am given size 50 SP. Then we change the color with the help of Android text color. I will give color here white. So you might be getting error when you try to add this color white, because first what we need to do is we need to add the colors into our into the resource directory, under that value folders, into the colors file. Okay, so here I have added all my folders and I have given name. That's why I'm able to refer the colors with the name. Okay, you can copy paste your colors here, and if you want I will give this color into the description also. Okay, so size is done, color is done. Okay, so we'll assign this properly to the center of the image. Yes, okay, that's it. So next thing what we need to do is we need to add this edit text. Okay, so these two inboxes, sorry, input box. For this we are going to use edit text. So let me switch to the design mode because this is good. Then we'll select your text tab. So what we want to add first will be the email address. So I will select your email address, just drag and drop here. Okay, let it give the error. We'll solve this error later. First we'll add the inboxes here. So next we want password. So where is the password? Okay, here is the password. We'll drag and drop password right below the email name. Okay, so now we'll first give the constant. We want this email address input box exactly below of our brand name. Then our password box also need to be below of our email address input box. Okay, so let me, we'll make it to the center. It's saying 94 and here is 110, 50. Let me, okay, this will make 50 only. 94, 94. We'll give this as 104. Then we'll do the same thing for the password input box, also 104. And we'll make this also 104. This 106 will make it 104. Okay, so we have added the input box. But if you see our real design, here we have telling user that this box is for entering the email address and second box is for entering the password, and also we have this a line over here, okay, below the name. Okay, so let's do this now. So for this I will open the XML code here. Okay, so these are our input fields. So first we'll give your address, email address. So what we need to do is to prompt user, I'm going to use Android hint here, so that user will come to know what he has to enter. Your user name at gmail.com, so that user will come to know he has to enter his email address here. Then we'll change our hint color. So for that I will use Android text color hint. Okay, again I will going to use white color only, white. So you guys may be thinking that we have given name and color also, but still we are not able to see our text here. Okay, this is because we need to add background also to this. Not every time this will happen, so this is happening for the layout design only. So okay, and if you see here we have this nice line over, okay, exactly below. So I will show you by adding this line by using background. Okay, and I will show you what will happen if I use the Android background here. Okay? Android background is equal to edit line 0, 3, edit line 0. Okay, you can see I've added edit line 0, not edit line 0. We need to use edit line only. Okay, so you can see we have added our edit line, but it's not visible here. What happened? Dot background drawable, cannot find resource. What happened? I think we misspelled something here. Edit line. Okay, it's okay. Now what if you see here, we added our background, but this background is coming exactly over our hint. Okay, let me show you this by entering the design mode. Okay, now it's better view. If you see here, we have added our background, but it's exactly above our hint name. But what we want this line to come below of our hint. Okay, so for this what we can do in the Android is we can use Android drawable bottom attribute, but what problem is there? Okay, I will show you this by typing this Android. Suppose now we want below, right? So what I will do, where is our background? Okay, we'll remove the background and we'll use Android drawable bottom. Okay, this attribute, and then we'll assign our edit line. See, we have added edit line here. It's visible here. It's added, but it's not visible. Why? Because we need to add background also. We need to provide something to our input text background. Then only our this drawable bottom will be visible. So for that, now suppose if we added again the background image, then it will come again the top. So what we'll do here is we'll do one trick. We'll add Android background. We'll add here color. Okay, and the color will be white transparent. Okay, see, this is my white transparent color. We'll add the white transparent color. Okay, you can see successfully we added the line also, and we are able to see the hint also. So this is one thing is there in the Android. Okay, if you want to add any drawable, I think we need to add background also. I don't know, but this is the way I found the solution to resolve this. So now what we'll do, we want those text into the center. So we'll use Android text align. Sorry, misspell text align. Again, no, Android spelling is wrong only. Android text align. We use the text align attribute to align our edit text name. So we want this to center. So I will select center and done. You can see we have successfully achieved our input box is here, and that nice line also is there as we design in the screen here. Okay, so what we did in the screen, we have used a gray color. Okay, and here we are using white. So let me check whether here I have added the gray color or not. Otherwise we'll add light blue is there, white is there, light blue. No, we have not added gray color, so let me add here. I will add color name is equal to gray. so gray color. Okay, and let me copy this gray color property from my Adobe XD. This is the color which we are using here. Let's copy this hex code. Okay, I will paste into my colors into the Android. Done. So let me assign this to our layout now. Okay, so we are using, instead of white, now we'll assign gray color because that is our actual layout design. Gray. No, here we want transparent, right? Yes. We want gray color to our text color int. Let me add here gray. Okay, here is gray, and also we want this our logo also, sorry, brand name also to be a gray. Yeah, it's now nice. So similar way we'll design our next password input box also. So what I will do, okay, whatever properties are added, text align center, hint, then text color background, same thing we'll copy and we'll paste into the password box so that it will save the time right below the text password. Okay, so here just we'll make some changes. Here we need to say user to enter password. So for this password, we are going to remove the sign because we don't want to give any size here. Okay, so our username and password is done. So next thing we need to add one checkbox and two text boxes here. So let us again switch back to design mode, go to wizards, we want checkbox. Okay, here only checkbox where we are searching. Okay, so just drag and drop right below the password field. Text will give as text is equal to remember me. Okay, remember me text, and text color do Android. Text color will give gray. Okay, and one thing I think we are, because okay, as you can see we have given the checkbox name here, but if you guys see here, let me zoom it for you. Our checkbox outline is here, but it's not visible because the checkbox outline color is black and our background color is also similar to that only. So what we'll do, we'll highlight this to, okay, first taking this out. So to do that, we'll use Android button tilt attribute. So what this attribute will do, this attribute will highlight the border color to a white. Okay, whatever color we assign, that will be shown. You can see that. So whatever the border is there, that will be white. So our checkbox is also done here. We minimize this. Okay, so next what we need to add one more text here. We need to move this little bit up. Then again one more text, we'll take one more text to here so that we can add the forward password text also. Okay, right below the password and right next to the, okay, just change the name to text to forward password. So that if user forget the password, he can reset his password from here. And Android text color is obviously gray because we love gray. Okay, so we'll do some, okay, we'll do this later. Okay, our next thing is we need to add is our button here. Okay, so that is what we are seeing here, green. So add the button, what we'll do, we'll use the wizard normal button only, and we'll add this right below this remember and forget password. We'll split down here, we'll go to the code. Okay, we are getting error. Okay, we'll do that also. We need to assign the constant to text to, we'll do for the both button and this. So before that we'll give button background, so I will use Android background is equal to login button. Okay, you can see we have login button here, not this one. I think we have used only button here. Let me check what name I have given. Android. It's blue button. Okay, we have given name as a blue button. So let me search here. We'll search for blue button here. Okay, and we successfully added this. So we'll align this properly. So first we'll give constant to our text view. On this below the password input field, next to the remember text, and also parent. Then we'll assign the same thing for the button. We want button exactly to the center below of remember and forgot password text. Okay, this is done. The last one and the design is different, so we'll align this properly. Okay, what we'll do, we'll take our image view logo bit up. You can see as I'm moving the image, whatever property I've assigned to this also we getting up. This is because of constant view. Okay, so that is why I prefer to use constant view. Previously I also used to use relative layout, but constant view is far better, because if we need any things to change, so it will be easy to align rearrangement. Okay, this is done. What we'll do, this is the width, wrap content. Okay, we'll take our text view little bit inside this also. We'll remove it. This also will give 8. Okay, both the same 8. Take 16. This little bit inside here. What we want this to be tall. Yeah, it's looking perfect now. We'll give some width. Okay, we'll start it. Okay, because we want to match this to this thing. Little bit. 244 will make it 250. 250 dp. This also 250 dp. Button also will be 250 dp. But you guys try to give the width as a wrap content, but that is a good practice. Increase this little bit more, 252, 255 dp. Here we need to change something, right? This is center. check what we have here. We have 104, 104. here 32 here. Increase this to 260. Okay, yes, now it's working fine. So we have created this image. So we'll add our last text here, which will prompt user to, if he's already having the account, then he can directly sign up. Okay, so that if he's not having the account, he can go and create a new account here. So we'll write text here, don't have account. Then we'll say create chapter here. We need to remove the extra spaces, that is okay, single text only. Then we'll keep Android text color to be white. Okay, but if you see our design, we have create account different text color, right? So what we'll do, we'll create new text for that. Let it do this thing. We'll add one more text to. We'll switch back to text to directly. Okay, we'll drag and drop right below and next to the, I have text account here. Okay, so we'll change the, we'll change now from here only. Now we'll go to the code. Okay, yeah, we'll say if you don't have account, create your account here. Then Android text color will be, what color will give here? We'll give blue button is there. Not blue button. Add color. We'll give orange. No, okay, what color we have given in this thing, that only. Okay, I think I have not exported that color. We'll check whether color is there or else we'll add. It's there, main color. Can give main color or dark blue. Okay, we'll see. We'll try both. Switch back to layout, and here we'll give color, main color. See how it will look like. It look good rather than dark. Yes, okay. Take a little bit inside. Move this also a little bit inside. Yeah. Yeah, so we have successfully designed our layout here. Let me minimize this. Design our registration screen. Okay. So let's switch back to the layout. Take sign up screen. So first thing first, we'll add. So we'll add your Android background first. So now I'm going to just write the code because I have explained what all things we have done. Same thing we are going to do it here. Just we're going to add some few text box. Android background. So guys, our tutorial is completed and we have successfully create our layout design here for the login and the registration. So in the next video, I will explain you how we can write the code behind this layout here for the for the Facebook, Google and Twitter with the help of Firebase Authentication API, which will allow us to set up authentication server without any huge codes. Okay, so that will be easy. And I already created one video where I explain how we can add Firebase into our Android Studio and how we can use email and password authentication here. So if you want to learn that, you can watch my video from my playlist. And in the next video, we'll see how we can use the authentication for how we can use Firebase authentication for the Facebook, Google and Twitter. With the help of that, how we can allow user to log in into our own application. So that's it for the video. We have successfully designed our login screen and also registration screen. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.